What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'll be talking about CyberYozh app. So this is an app that actually provides you with high-speed proxies, virtual numbers, and also virtual card. Okay, so basically if you're someone who's into online updates very well, like online surveys or any updates that have to do with training AIs that you're not able to access within your region, or you might need a VPN or proxy for, then this particular video is for you. Okay, so I'd like you to watch this video to the end so they can get full basic details on what I'm about to share about the CyberYozh app and actually how you can get very good proxies here and virtual numbers, and we'll also check out everything that you can actually get to enjoy on the app. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So to be able to access the CyberYozh app, I'll be dropping a link in the description section or in the comment section down below. You can easily create an account with your username, you enter a password, and you confirm that password and click on the sign up button right here. Okay, so I already have an account. I'm just going to sign in. So once you create your account successfully, if you click right here, you're going to find the menu. Okay, so in the menu section you have the proxies, you have the SMS, which actually where you can get virtual number, and you also have the virtual card section right here. Okay, so right here in the proxy side, the CyberYozh app actually provides you with three different type of proxy. You have the mobile proxy right here, and you have the residential proxy, and you also have the data center right here. Okay, so mostly if you're someone who is into surveys or you're looking for a very good proxy, I usually recommend the mobile and residential proxies right here. Okay, so when you click on the mobile proxy, you have the dedicated and you also have the shared. Okay, now the dedicated is like a personal one, dedicated only for you. Okay, meanwhile on the shared you get IP that is also used by other people. Okay, now if you're going to purchase a mobile proxy, let's say the dedicated for example, you need to select the country you want the proxy for. So let's say you're using the USA, you also need to select the region. Okay, so let's say you're selecting the Arizona for example, then it's going to load up the different mobile proxy available for your filter. Okay, so we have one which is the 5G Arizona Phoenix T-Mobile Unlimited proxy right here, which has a dedicated 5G router, and it also gives you the SOC 5/VPN with dedicated DNS, the manual IP changing, and other things right here. And for this one you can get an unlimited gig for a day for around $8 right here. And there is also another one here where you can also get an unlimited amount of gig for a day for $8. You can also check out for a month. Okay, you can check them out right here. That's if you're going for the mobile proxy. Then if you're using the residential proxy also, let's check out the residential proxy. Residential proxy provides you with the static and the rotating. Okay, now the static proxy is actually going to give you one particular location or one particular IP. Okay, meanwhile the rotating might actually be changing every 1 hour. It might be changing your IP every 1 hour right here. And if you also want to purchase it, you also need to select the country you want to use it for, and you also need to select the type of proxy or probably the protocol. So usually the SOC S5 and the HTTP is usually advisable for this. Okay, so let's say I'm going with the HTTP this way. So it's just going to load up different proxies available for that. So we have the first one right here, which you can actually purchase for about $5.39, and it will give you one IP. That's because we are using the static, right? And it's also giving you this for 1 month. Okay, so we also have other ones right here, so just check it out and go with the one that you're okay with. All right, now in the rotating you have the all countries rotating residential proxy, which will be changing your IP every 24 hours. It gives you real ISP, and you can get 3 gig worth of data for 11.7 on this particular proxy. Okay, so this is also another good one you can actually purchase on the CyberYozh app. Okay, now for the data center you have the dedicated and the shared. So this is usually used whenever you're running a cafe or something big that we have a lot of computers probably plugged into one IP. Okay, so for our level, the mobile and residential proxy is actually enough. Okay, thing about the proxies that are being provided on this platform is that you can get them at affordable rates. Okay, and they're also efficient for your use. For example, the data center proxy starts from $2.5 upward per month. Meanwhile, the residential proxy starts from around $5 per month. And in the mobile section, you get unlimited worth of gig from $3.5 and above, and that actually depends on the country you select. So let's also check out other things that is being provided right here on the CyberYozh app. Remember I said you can get virtual number. So when we click on my numbers right here, so right here, I'm going to click on the add a number right here, okay? Then after that, I'll select the country I want the number to be based. So let's say I want to purchase a USA number right here. And I'm also going to select a service, okay? So you have different service ranging from $0.1 upwards, okay? So there are different ones right here that you can pick from. And once you do that, you just need to make payment and you'll be given a number on that region you selected. Okay, now let's also check out the virtual card section right here. So right here you basically get a virtual card that you can use for any online purchase, and you can also link to your Google Pay and to your Apple Pay. Okay, now to be able to purchase any of the products on this website, probably the Proxy, the SMS, or the virtual card, you first of all need to actually top up your account, right? So if you click on this icon right here, you're going to find balance. Okay, you click on balance. All right, so right here I've not topped up my account because I'm just reviewing this, so I'm going to enter the amount I want to top up with. So I can top up from $5 and above. So let's say we're topping up from $5. Okay, next thing we're going to do is to select our payment method. You can pay using your bank card. You can also pay using the cryptocurrency option right here, and after that you click on proceed to payment. You just need to fill in your details and actually make payment. Okay, and you can also get 25% discount if you actually drop a review about the CyberYozh app on Trustpilot or G2. Okay, and if you have any questions or you probably want to make any research, you can always contact the customer care right here and actually send your questions. Okay, so that's basically it for now. That's basically how you can get to purchase a very good proxy from the CyberYozh app, and it has a lot of good reviews from Trustpilot. So if you're looking for a place where you can get good proxies, good virtual numbers, this particular app is one for you. Okay, so that's basically it for now, and also note that this video is for educational purpose only. Okay, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.